Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener. Some part you dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away.
제일 무서운 애는
While they devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here on the fish is happy as after the waves they roll. The fish on the land is happy. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They in for a worse fate.